The first reaction completed was the iron-iron thiocyanate equilibrium reaction. In order to achieve equilibrium, we combined iron nitrate with potassium thiocyanide, which yielded iron thiocyanide and potassium nitrate. This was a clear colorless solution. The products were a clear colorless solution, with our reactants being a red color. The first stress that we added to this reaction was increasing the concentration of the iron nitrate. What this did was shift the reaction, the equilibrium of the reaction, to the right, resulting in a deeper red color. The second stress that we put on this reaction was increasing the concentration of the potassium thiocyanide. When increasing the concentration of potassium thiocyanide, we also saw the equilibrium shift from here to the right, again resulting in a dark red color, but this has been the darkest red color observed. The third stress that we added was heat. Heat in this case can be seen as a product, so we're going to go ahead and add heat as a product. When this happened, when heat was added, a lighter red-orange color was observed. What this told us was that the increase of heat over here was shifting our reaction back, or our equilibrium of our reaction back to the left. This showed that our equilibrium was exothermic. The second reaction of this lab was the combination of chromate or the equilibrium of chromate and dichromate. First, we acknowledge that the reaction of these reactants produces a solution of a golden color. The first stress that we added was HCl. The addition of HCl resulted in an equilibrium shift to the right. This resulted again in a darker gold color. The second stress which was added was sodium hydroxide, which again caused the equilibrium to shift to the right. The third stress was adding more hydrochloric acid to the second tube, which turned the color of the solution from a green back to the original golden color. What we acknowledge with this is that the equilibrium shifted back to the left with the addition of HCl. The third and final equilibrium reaction that was observed in the lab was the bicarb carbon dioxide reaction. The first stress that we added to this reaction, and only stress added to this reaction, was decreasing or taking out or removing the concentration of carbon dioxide gas. This took this clear color solution and shifted the equilibrium to the right. When this happened, the solution turned a light blue color, which made sense as the reactants were a clear colorless solution and the products were a lighter blue color.